Here we are. It's September 2024. It's 25th today, and I'm making a little video about my racks. I have Audiomobile rack systems. This particular one here is the Audiomobile AR-3. It's the original Audiomobile product offering from 1977. The highest of technology of the times. I'm making this because it took me a considerable amount of time to finally find all the pieces and parts, the amplifier. This particular rack sports the SA400 amplifier. The smaller amplifier of the two. That amp rack sports a SA450 amp underneath the crossover there. Bigger. An improvement. This rack is fully functional today in 2024. Got it hooked up to my speakers on top, my speakers in the middle, and subwoofers, 2 or 8 ohm subwoofers, Dayton Audio. This particular one has a brand new slider pack for the equalizer. Brand new. Just rebuilt in 2024. That little rip out's blinking. Everything works. It's got a fader. Fader knob. You can hear the difference in the front and the rears. And them all together. Little fader box with a long cord that goes up to the front. This is my AR-3 rack system video 2024. Let's see, it's working. Yeah. This is hooked up to speakers right now. I'm going to take all the speaker wires off this rack, and I'm going to come up to this one. Because right now this rack is just sitting there not doing anything, not hooked up to anything. Well, this is a video to confirm that my Audiomobile AR-3 rack system is fully functional in 2024, September. And I'm going to have to find a new home for this
5
thing.
words you pronounce wrong.
That's why I'm making this video.
Your brain starts.
So yeah, I have to find a new home for these beautiful, I've been using these racks right now for about a good 2 years, maybe longer. Just letting them burn in. It's time for me to disconnect this rack. And then I gotta hook up the other one there. Take all these speaker wires and put it on that rack. once I decided to run the stereo. So you gotta go and sit here and flip the switch. Over here. To the stereo position. There's a switch in there, as you can see. And this is the Audiomobile AR-3 HS rack system. Right here. The EQ sliders are pretty good on this one. I don't hear any popping or cracking. They're actually in pretty good shape. Slider. There's a balance. Red light. It's working. AR-3 HS rack system. Got the crossover open. As you can see, there's chip modules in there that you can change the frequencies. How they did it. And like I said, it has a switch for mono stereo switch. You can actually bridge the bass amp, make it a single channel left and right. A CXE2 crossover of the Audiomobile AR-3 rack system. Killer. Tasty highs, strong bass. Oh yeah. Then you bottom in. And this one's high sensitivity, like I said. You can actually turn it down to about a third. It's loud already. Yeah. Yeah. I can turn it up here on my keyboard. My keyboard's only at a little bit. There's halfway there. That should be kind of loud from here. Killer. AR-3 HS rack system with the crossover cover removed for servicing. September 28, 2024. Yeah. I did it. Now to find a good home for these things. Oh my God. I gotta find a good home for these things. Yeah. Audiomobile AR-3 HS. They're all hooked up and fully operational. the fader knob. Yeah, equalizer. Click. This equalizer's pretty clean all throughout. All the sliders, everything is pretty clean. AR-3 HS, the 1986 construction, 1987. It was sold, lasted maybe 7 or 8 years and died. Ended up in a box for 40 years. So I bought it one day, paid a pretty penny for this thing because it supposedly was fully operational. As it turned out, all 3 of the amplifiers were barely operating. The only sound was coming out of the 450. That was it. The 2 1000s were dead. Needed transistors. That guy, the 450, needed a pico fuse. Blew one channel. So it barely had a single channel when I bought it. Under the impression that it all worked. I paid a pretty hefty sum for this thing. Well, what are you going to do, complain? Oh, something this rare comes along. Just went and bought all the transistors, capacitors, and all that stuff, and rebuilt them. Got them to come back to life. And this thing is cranking today, right now. Good highs, baby. Ooh, this EQ is the killer. This is the killerest EQ of the days. Red lights in the dash, baby. Speaker system. Frank. They live in 2024, September 28th, right now, cranking away. No problem. You can install this in your automobile, install it in your 78 Porsche. There you go. Put them both in there. I gotta find a new home for these things. That's why I'm making this video. It's September 30, 2024. And my Audiomobile AR-3 HS rack system has been running now for a couple solid days. And the SA-1000. It's working fine. 100%. Got all the parts. Got the fader now. All the cords. Everything. It works in 2024, 100%, along with its earlier counterpart, the Audiomobile products. The last of the run, and the first of the run. This one has the SA-400, this one has the SA-450 amplifier with two SA-1000s. EQ, sliders work, everything works 100% in 2024. Both racks. There you go. Okay, I made this video. There you have it. Anybody need a classic amplifier rack from 1977 and another one from 1987? Looking for a new home for these. I need to go to a new home. I'm getting old. That's my reality. Yep. So yes, they work. Fully operational in 2024. This is September 30. Both of them working. And now on to the Signature Series amplifiers. Made a cover for this crossover. And the crossover repaired. There you go. I just didn't have a cover and now it does. Gotta get going on my Audiomobile. I'll find a new home for them. So goes the Zapdos. What's next? Leaning Tower of Zapdos. Yes. Old tower of Zapco amplifier. My little collection. Another beautiful day. Big Dog Blue Day checking out. My killer sound system. Time to hook up the Signature Series. There you go. Get that done. Another beautiful day, September 30, 2024. I need to sell my rack system. Find a new home for them. They're in Hawaii right now. On vacation. Shipping will be interesting. Big Dog Bro Dave tracking out.